Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your FedEx account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fedex.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official FedEx website, from which, if you have forgotten your password, then you will need to click on the sign up/login button at the top right. Then click on your appropriate login portal and you will be taken into the login page. Now from the login page, click on forgot your user ID or password and you will be taken into another page from which you can reset your password. Click on reset password and you will be asked to enter your user ID. Just type in your user ID and click on the submit button. And now you will be asked, and now you have the option to choose your email address and also your phone number if you have the option available. Just click on the option that is available and suitable for you and you will be asked to enter the verification code that was sent to your email. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from FedEx within which you will find the verification code. Just enter this verification code and click on the continue button and you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. Just type in your desired new password and click on the reset button and your password will immediately be reset on your account. And from this point on, you can enter this new password in order to log into your account on FedEx. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on FedEx. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.